Record and track incoming security seal batches accurately. Seal inward processing begins in bond and entry operations to record incoming security seals. The seal inward register provides a centralized audit trail for all purchased and received seal batches. Defining the supplier identifies the source of the seals for procurement accountability. Entering the invoice number links the physical delivery to the corresponding financial document. The date field captures the receipt date for chronological tracking, while the batch number ensures each seal shipment remains uniquely traceable. Cost per seal defines the unit valuation used for internal inventory accounting. Specifying the currency and exchange rate maintains financial accuracy for international or imported seal purchases. The prefix and start number define the identification range for the seal serial sequence. Entering the end number automatically determines the total quantity of seals received in the batch. Multiple seal ranges can be recorded under a single receipt to consolidate complex shipments. Notes provide space to capture administrative context or special handling instructions for warehouse operations. Uploading digital attachments securely stores delivery documents and proof of receipt within the system. Submitting the record finalizes the entry and updates the live inventory of available security seals. The system validates the submission and reflects the new batch status in the master register. This structured workflow ensures full traceability of security assets and simplifies inward logistics auditing. Thank you for watching. Connect with us to see this in action.